to fix or how to solve the problem of banner on Messenger. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of banner on Messenger, you should just go to settings. And first you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Messenger app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to you will click on storage here. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.